Hello everyone. Welcome to Thunder Robotics. On today's video we are gonna learn how to connect joystick module to Arduino.
We need Arduino Uno. Joystick module. Jumper cables. Programming cable. This joystick module has potentiometer axis X. This is a switch. This is a potentiometer axis Y. Connect the cables as per the circuit diagram given in the description or first comment. Plug in the programming cable to Arduino. Plug in the programming cable to computer USB port. Open Arduino IDE. Click on the following tab. Select the following board and port tab. Select the board you're using. Copy and paste the code and click Upload. Select port as same as board. Click on Tools icon and open Serial Monitor to read the movement of your joystick module. Make some movement on your joystick as I did and look the axis in Serial Monitor. Thanks for watching. Have a great days.